Hello guys and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to remove a payment method on Stockx. So usually once you add a payment method guys, it's gonna be saved onto your account. What I will literally ask anyone to do is to now add the payment method in here because it cannot be removed guys. So if I want to here and I bought for example this product directly and I've added my payment method through this area, which is the buy page area from here. The credit card or basically any payment getaway is not going to be saved, but if you add it through the other page, it's going to be saved. And if you wanted to remove it later on, as you can see, people are struggling with it. So people like, for example, what they are saying exactly is in order for you to delete a payment method, you don't need to add another one. So you are replacing one by another one. So there will be always a payment method within your account. And this is something that people wouldn't want to be in their accounts. So yeah, once you have this problem, the only solution that you have is to send support at stock.x.com an email and request your cards to be deleted or your entire account if you want that too. So this is the most like common like solution for this case of a problem. You cannot really delete your credentials or basically your payment method, but you can replace it in case you had like a credit card that you are not using. We can put it down and basically use it as a replacement, but overall yeah, you cannot really delete your credit card in case you had only one or one payment getaway. It's gonna be stuck here, so the only way to delete it is to simply ask for your account to be deleted or basically ask the support to delete the credit card from your account or your payment method from your account. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, or leave us a comment. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.